Most people believe the first step is action. Make a call, list the house, tour something. Do something, anything, just to move forward. But when you skip clarity, action doesn't create momentum. It creates confusion because when you act without clarity, every step feels heavier than it really should. We need people who already did something. They toured homes they didn't love. They spoke to agents they didn't trust. They considered selling before knowing why. They ran numbers without understanding what they meant. And they say, I thought taking action would help me feel better. But now I feel more overwhelmed than before.
They moved, but they didn't move forward. When clarity is missing, decisions feel fragile. Every new piece of information feels threatening. Doubt grows. Pressure increases.
Instead of confidence, people feel tension, not because they chose wrong, but because they chose before they understood.
Clarity changes everything. When people understand what they want their life to feel like, what their home is costing them emotionally and financially, what options actually exist, what trade-offs are real, they feel grounded. Action becomes lighter. Movement becomes easier. Fear softens. That's when momentum becomes sustainable.
Clarity doesn't give you answers. It gives you alignment. You stop trying to convince yourself. You stop forcing timelines. You stop comparing your life to someone else's. You begin choosing from understanding, not urgency.
You don't need to move first. You need to see clearly first.
That's when we say clarity is the real first step, and the plan is where clarity begins.